Good morning, Adab Sat Sri Akal. This is your president, Mr. Raghavinder Das of the All India Cantonment Bungalow Owners cum Residents Association. This is my 51st video and I am addressing it after a gap of more than about 3 to 4 months. And the present lockdown because of COVID, I expect my fellow citizens in these cantonments will be obeying to the government rules and keeping themselves in isolation. Health is very important. Friends, there was a committee, if you remember, which was formed during the earlier duration of the Defence Minister, Mr. Parrikar. I remember during those days I had interacted in 2016-17 with them because of the MOS, Mr. Rao Inder Singh. And somewhere the conclusion was reading on to the 1957 land policy which was drafted then by one of the earlier first committee that was called the Balwant Rai Mehta Committee. So we must understand now, coming back to S.K. Patil Committee which was made, that these government committees which are made, they only work on their agendas or their references which are given as guidelines to them. And if they go outside the purview of the guidelines, those matters, even if come for recommendations and even if are proposed, are generally not accepted by the parliament or by the committees itself. So let's talk of the agenda of the S.K. Patil. The very first agenda which was of the amendment or abolition of the 2006 Act, Cantonment. Now just imagine, we had a 1924 Act which was not abolished, or it was amended maybe thrice or 4 times, but in 85 years it was never cancelled or it was not repealed. Now 2006, by 2020 we want a new act to come in. Why? Because in 2006 there were so many unprecedented laws made in this act which were not giving us the rights of a more democratic and a kind of a socialist act for the cantonments. It was not municipalizing our cantonments. We were not moving towards the more the representations of the board members to be more effective. So this act had a lot of problems. So what was happening? Mr. Parrikar had varied number of conferences with vice presidents and board members. I remember on 4th May 2018 there was a meeting. A lot of agenda, a lot of representations were given. Similarly, our MPs and MLAs of local cantonments also met them and gave representations. I remember the new association which has come up in lieu of the All India Cantonment. It had been thumping its back that our MPs have given a huge representation. I remember when I met the earlier Home Minister from Kanpur, who is now the MP, I am forgetting his name. What comes out? Nothing. You have questions put up in the parliament. So these agendas become very important. So what are these 21 lakh or maybe 22 lakh cantonment residents of these 57 plus 5 cantonments looking for? They are looking for more of democratization. They are looking for more of things happening for them for the betterment. If you see in the vicinity of your cantonments, the municipal part of your cantonment, let's say Agra or Ambala, Sadar, they are thriving on policies and government grants. But what are we? We are not. So this cantonment needed an act, this act needed an amendment. So this is happening. The other point which was raised in this agenda was that why not have the 1924 system back, and the election of the vice president will be direct from these inhabitants of the cantonments, not the present regime which is happening under 19(1) of the act, that the board members elect a vice president. The committee says that this has been generally been doing in a wrong manner, and these board members tend to connive together and they, in a rotation system, create their own vice presidents, which is not for the betterment of these inhabitants. Now another agenda was, why not raise the income or the allowance of these board members? Utilizations of power under section 13(1). So this needed to be changed. there was another issue on the same topic, that was the assessment of these taxes. Earlier in the 1924, there used to be a committee of civil area as well as of the bungalow area. And under this committee, the local board member plus the vice president or the CEO were the members. And this CAC used to finally draft a tax structure for us. But now what has it been happening? We have generally been rubbished to the STR. This annual rental method system is not a very good method, which is not accepted by the municipalities. So these efficacies have to be brought in. Second topic was under the section 280, whether the staff appointed on a local basis system in a cantonment, say Agra or Ambala or say Barakpur, could they be transferred to other cantonments? They could not have been. So 346 brought in an act that yes, we can transfer them, but is it taking place? No, it is not taking place. So there is a lot of problems which are happening. So these cantonments are definitely under the Constitution Article 243 as a local self-government. But where are these people being transferred? They don't even get transferred to within the cantonments itself, which are called to be, I would use the word, within a state. So now under a Supreme Court order of the Panchmadi case, which is quite famous, the defranchisement of the voter list is also to be taken place, because there are a lot many board members who tend to pick up houses and bungalows on rent and they finally get elected as board members, or there are many voters even like this. So this need to be rubbished. The FAR issue of the construction in civil area was a peak area, so that has to be worked out. So friends, we need to understand, this committee was not looking at the bungalow area, the basic problems of our sale, purchase, mutation, construction. So what were our local MLAs or MPs, or let's say what was the present association thumping on? Nothing. So these things have to be really read into, whether these committees are actually going to give us something or not. So there is nothing in this committee. It has given recommendations, which I'll be talking in my coming videos, because I'm covering this now in my coming videos of the whole committee reports, and finally the suggestions which we want this committee to adhere to. So let's not get fooled by ourselves and let's not live into that fancy. The first parliamentary committee report of Balwant Rai Mehta 1957, I have that copy. If that is adhered, we are in municipalization of these cantonments. But from 1957 till 2021, 2006 Act, the government or the Ministry of Defence, I don't know whether it is actually fooling us or whether it is actually seriously concerned about our rights, needs to be talked about. Thank you, friends. And once again, I am telling everybody what I have been generally telling in my conclusion para, that we are old grants, never converted into new grants. So let's abide to that fact, and I'm always available. Please get in touch with me. My mail number, my mail ID, my mobile numbers are available on this site. Thank you. Good day.